Okay, this is the kiddie pool. Got a little stream of water right there. Try and get it, you know, bubbled up a little bit so everybody can see that it really is fun to splash in the water. And our first test subject is Chinook, the black tar female. We're going to see what she thinks about the water, which is lukewarm. It's not warm, but it's not cold either. She's not a big fan of it. Let's put in Dakota, the black tar male. So we've got Dakota on the left and we've got Chinook on the right. Nobody wants to stick their feet in it. That Chinook's out of the game. She's ready to quit. That didn't last long. And Dakota's whining. Yeah, he's out. Alright, let's see, who else can we get? Come here, puppies! Come here! Come here! They're like, nothing doing. Come here! Come on, puppies! Come on! They're like, I remember what you did the last time that you said that. Come on, we'll put you in. This is Lakota, another black tar male. Let's see what he thinks. Oh, he's muddy. What you think, buddy? What you think? From what I hear, most of the puppies from the last litter absolutely love water. I've got a picture of one puppy who's about 6 or 7 months old now, who has her head submerged in a bucket of water, and she's blowing bubbles and splashing in that bucket of water. She don't even have her body in the water, it's just her head. It was so funny. Alright, here is Cherokee. He's a blue merle male. Let's see what he does. It's going to take some getting used to. None of them have liked it straight off the bat, but you know, this is their first time being introduced to it. They don't know what to think. When they get a little bit older, when they get a little bit older and start exploring a whole lot more, they'll definitely be into it because they can play in it and splash in it. Cherokee's like, I want to get out, but I don't want to get in the water anymore to get out. He doesn't like to step in the water, obviously. And he's out. Let's see who else can we get? Oh, Sue! Are you my friend today? You know, every breeder's got their favorite. Sue's my favorite. What you think? Not a big fan of it. Alright. Are we still buddies? Are we still buddies? Yeah, we're still buddies. Alright. Let's go find Apache and Cheyenne. Here we go. Here's Cheyenne. And that's Apache right there, but we'll get him in a minute. He's mud baiting. Here you go, buddy. Girl, you're a girl. You're Cheyenne. This is a black tar female. You didn't even stay in there long enough to see what you were gonna do. Get back in there. Well, we know who doesn't like the water at the moment, that's for sure. Whee! That is Chinook and Sue playing with each other. Chinook is a black tar female and she's a hyper one, man. She's a real hyper one. Sue can hold her own though. Muddy puppies. Where's Apache? Let's find Apache. Hey, buddy. Oh. By now, with all that cold water running there, it's getting kind of cold. Poor Apache's got to be the last guy. That wasn't no fun, was it? Oh, that's funny. There goes Cheyenne. See if we can call them all out here. Come on, puppies! Come here! Here comes Apache. Come here, puppies! And we've got Sue right here. There goes Cheyenne, Lakota. Who are you? You're Dakota. No, you're Chinook. This one's Chinook. And here is Cherokee. Okay, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 6 puppies. Hey! Come here! Dakota is over there. He's, I don't know what he's doing. I think he's trying to get all the water off of his paws. Oh, here you come. Come here. Come on, buddy. You can't tell from this video, but Dakota is the most hyper out of the whole litter by far. Boy, he's crazy. Next in line is his sister Chinook. And then, I don't know who would come next except for this little guy. He does have a turn off switch though. He's kind of what are you eating? Looks like he's eating grass. Somebody's licking my foot. That would be Cheyenne. And Sue has hold of my clothing and won't let me go. Come on! Come on! There comes Cheyenne. Come on! Here comes Sue. Come on! Come on, puppies! Huh. That's Chinook, who is bounding and leaping. Come on, puppy! Whee! And there's Cherokee. Hey, buddy! Go get that water off his paws. He's sick of being wet. And now I got Cheyenne on my clothes. Don't take him long. We're missing a puppy. There he is. Apache, do you see your mama through the fence? Hey, buddy. Girl. You're Cheyenne. There's Lakota. Whee! Come on! Hey, buddy. Hey! Mm-hmm. You're wet. You're wet. Come on. There's Dakota on the right. Okay, now he's on the left. Dakota's on the left by me. And Cheyenne is across from him. Got 2 crazy puppies over here. That'd be Sue and Chinook. Them 2 can't stay away from each other. I got a puppy right here. Hey, sweet girl. Dakota! Dakota! You're not showing me how hyper you are today. Come here. Come here. Well, everybody's doing their own thing. Apache's over there sleeping. Chinook is bounding and leaping. I don't know I think that's Lakota. Yeah, that's Lakota over there, exploring. And thanks to Callie, there's a milk jug over there in the corner, and Sue has found that. Alright, I think it's time to sign off. I have company. I will see you guys later.